Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Mizan Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is chapter 3, short question 1, 2, 3 and broad question 1 and 2. Okay, dear students, your short question and broad question is very important because in the examination there are 5 questions come in the exam. For every question carries 4 marks, and there are 6 questions. There are 5 questions come in the examination for broad question, which every question carries 6 marks. So it is very important. I have to must memorize every short question and broad question. Okay, dear students, come to the board and start our class first. Chapter 3, short questions. Question number 1. What is the harm of telling lies? What is the harm of telling lies? Answer. To tell a lie is a great sin. It destroys all human values. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, As-sidqu yungzi wal kizbu ihlik. Meaning of this hadith is, Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, truthfulness saves a man, lies destroy a man. Okay? Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in this hadith, As-sidqu yungzi wal kizbu ihlik. Meaning of this hadith, truthfulness saves a man, lies destroy man. Okay, dear students, now we start question number 2. Write advantage of speaking truth. Answer. To speak the truth is very nice. He who speaks the truth is loved by all. Everybody honors and trusts him. A truthful person is dear to Almighty Allah. Allah loves him very much. He will attain in Jannat in hereafter. For this reason, we have to speak all the time truth and we have to give up falsehood. Okay, dear students, now we will start question number 3. Write one hadith about serving human beings. Okay, dear students, there are a lot of hadiths about serving human beings in the hadith books such as Bukhari, Muslim, Abu Dawud, Nasai and Ibn Majah. But only one hadith are included in this question. Such as Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in this hadith about serving of human beings, provide food to the hungry, look after the sick, set the prisoner free. Okay, dear students, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered this hadith 3 things. Provide food to the hungry. Those who are hungry, you have to provide food, and look after the sick. Look after the sick. If any person sick in the society, you have to look after them and set the prisoner free. These 3 orders of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the serving of human beings. Okay, dear students, now we'll start chapter 3 broad questions. Broad question 1. How shall we mercy to the living beings? Answer. Allah is kind. He shows mercy to all living beings. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, Irhamu man fil ardi, yarhamukum man fis samai. Meaning of this hadith, Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, show mercy to all that you see in this world. You will be blessed with the mercy of Allah. So we should mercy to all creatures. We should pet them, look after them, and love them. We should not hurt them. We should not throw stones or bricks at them. Okay, this is finished. Broad question 1. How shall we mercy to the living beings? This is the answer of this question. Now we will start broad question 2. Write story of speaking the truth. Okay, this question answer is, one day a man come to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he said, listen, O Rasul of Allah, I steal things from others. I tell lies. I commit many other sins. I do not want to do all these bad things. But which one of these will I stop first? Then Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, stop telling lies first. Then the man stopped telling lies. He started always speaking the truth. After this, he stopped all the sinful deeds gradually. This is the answer of right story about speaking the truth. Okay, dear students, now I will give HW. Today's HW number is 3. HW number 3. Okay, focus on this. HW number 3. Short question 1, 2, 3. Okay, dear students, short question 1, 2 and 3. This is HW. Okay, you have to must do HW properly because HW is very, very important for you. We will give your diary marks and city marks and SB marks according to your performance of HW. So you have to must HW carefully and submit your HW on every Sunday by your parents or any other guardians from 8 am to 4 pm on every Sunday, and you have to collect your HW copy next Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. Okay, dear students, I hope that understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, and stay well. See you again very soon. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.